Did you know that a well-maintained printer can save your business thousands of dollars each year? Regular upkeep not only extends the life of your printer, but also ensures high-quality prints and reduces downtime. Let's dive into why printer maintenance is crucial for your productivity and bottom line. In today's video, we'll explore the importance of regular printer upkeep and maintenance. We'll discuss the benefits of routine care, common issues that arise from neglect, and practical tips to keep your printers running smoothly. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large office, understanding printer maintenance can significantly impact your operations. Regular printer maintenance is akin to routine checkups for your health. Just as you wouldn't skip a doctor's appointment, you shouldn't overlook your printer's needs. Here are some key benefits. 1. Improved print quality. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate inside your printer, leading to smudged or streaky prints. Regular cleaning helps maintain crisp and clear output, ensuring that your documents look professional. 2. Extended lifespan. Printers are a significant investment for any business. Regular maintenance can extend their lifespan, allowing you to get the most out of your equipment. According to industry experts, a well-maintained printer can last up to 50% longer than one that is neglected. 3. Cost efficiency. Regular upkeep can prevent costly repairs and replacements. By addressing minor issues before they escalate, you can save on expensive service calls and parts. For instance, a clogged print head can lead to wasted ink and paper, driving up your operational costs. 4. Reduced downtime. A malfunctioning printer can halt productivity. Regular maintenance minimizes the risk of unexpected breakdowns, ensuring that your team can print when they need to without interruptions. 5. Environmental impact. Well-maintained printers are more efficient, using less ink and paper. This not only saves money, but also reduces waste, making your business more environmentally friendly. Neglecting printer maintenance can lead to a host of problems. Here are some common issues that can arise. 1. Paper jams. One of the most frustrating issues is paper jams. These often occur when dust or debris accumulates in the paper feed. Regular cleaning can help prevent this annoyance. 2. Toner streaks and smudges. If you notice streaks or smudges on your prints, it could be a sign of a dirty drum or toner cartridge. Regular maintenance can help identify and resolve these issues before they affect your print quality. 3. Blocked print heads. Inkjet printers are particularly susceptible to clogged print heads, which can lead to poor print quality. Regular cleaning cycles can help keep the print heads clear and functioning properly. 4. Wear and tear. Over time, components like rollers and belts can wear out. Regular inspections can help identify these issues early, allowing for timely replacements before they cause significant problems. 5. Increased ink consumption. A poorly maintained printer may use more ink than necessary, leading to higher costs. Regular maintenance ensures that your printer operates efficiently, using only what it needs. Now that we understand the importance of maintenance, let's look at some practical tips to keep your printer in top shape. 1. Regular cleaning. Schedule regular cleaning sessions for your printer. This includes wiping down the exterior, cleaning the paper feed, and checking for dust inside the printer. 2. Check and replace consumables. Regularly check your toner and ink levels, and replace them as needed. Don't wait until they run out completely, as this can lead to print quality issues. 3. Update firmware. Keep your printer's firmware up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that can improve performance and fix bugs. 4. Use quality supplies. Invest in high-quality paper and ink. Using subpar materials can lead to more frequent jams and print quality issues. 5. Professional servicing. Consider scheduling professional maintenance at least once a year. Technicians can perform thorough inspections and address any underlying issues that may not be visible during regular cleaning. To ensure consistent upkeep, creating a maintenance schedule is essential. Here's how to develop one. 1. Daily checks. Perform daily checks to ensure that the printer is functioning correctly. This includes checking for paper jams, ensuring there's enough ink, and cleaning the exterior. 2. Weekly maintenance. Set aside time each week for more thorough cleaning, such as cleaning the print heads and checking for any wear on components. 3. Monthly inspections. Conduct monthly inspections to assess the overall condition of the printer. Look for signs of wear and tear, and replace any components that are nearing the end of their lifespan. 4. Annual professional service. Schedule an annual professional service to ensure that your printer is in optimal condition. This can help catch any issues before they become major problems. 5. Document everything. Keep a log of all maintenance activities. This will help you track what has been done and when, making it easier to identify patterns or recurring issues. In summary, regular printer upkeep and maintenance are vital for ensuring optimal performance, extending the lifespan of your equipment, and saving costs. By implementing a consistent maintenance routine, you can prevent common issues, improve print quality, and enhance productivity in your workplace. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on keeping your technology running smoothly. Have any printer maintenance tips of your own? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.